Hello everyone, today we are embarking. We'll be spotting buses and trains, and I said let's go. I suppose. Recently, the EL buses have changed direction. Sorry about the noise earlier. So, people ranting about electricity bills over there, so it probably won't be as much. 5 to Romford Market, Trident. People, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm so sorry about my finger. I'm not going to put it in the way again. I promise. People that mostly watch this, like I'm Pure Legendary, London Bus 47, and much more, like Zelda. Thank you for watching these bus spotting videos over the past 2 days. 2 VLAs over there, DX VLA and Ensign VLA. There's a Enviro MMC. Ensign. Here comes the DX VLA, Barking VLA. VLA 131. Does it have its cooling fan on? I rarely see that in Dagenham. I mean, Barking. We will be going to the train shortly. You can skip right to the train if you want. WVL 345. Some people just have no respect. They just walk in front of the camera for no reason. Although they know I'm recording. I'm trying not to let my finger over there. Here's a Rainham Stagecoach Enviro 287, I think. West Ham Enviro 238. Shortly going due to a red light. EL2 to Becontree Heath, WVL 479. 368. Enviro, and a Trident from West Ham. Sorry about the noise and everyone just walking past. People just have no respect. I told them, can you please not walk in front of the, my recording area because it's a bit rude, but they're not doing that. Here it comes. Cleaner air. Here's an S-stop. Let me just get the camera focusing first. Come on. Sorry. Okay, here we go. S-stop to Ealing Broadway District Line. District Line to Upminster. Doors are closing, so I think it's going now. No? Okay.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 1440 C2C service now.
Ealing Broadway District Line, that's stop. Now departing. Can't see it. Let's stop. Here it goes. C2C Class 357 service. Electrostar, one of my favourite companies for trains. Oh, this phone would just not focus.
Platform 4 for the 1439 C2C.
Here it comes.
Southend Central. Calling at Upminster, Ockenden, Trafford Hundred, Grays, Tilbury Town, East Tilbury.
Going to Southend Central. 357006.
Southend Central. This train is going for 4 coaches. Change at Upminster for services to Emerson Park.
Let's stop to Upminster again, District Line.